Hi everyone, it's Victoria from Tempe Public Library saying hello again. And today I'll be showing you how to make your own invisible ink with a lemon, a few drops of water, Q-tips, paper, and an iron or another heat source like a stove or a light bulb that gets hot. So your first step is to take your lemon and cut it in half like I've done here, and then squeeze some of the juice out into a bowl here like I've done, and mix it with just a couple drops of water. Then what you'll do is take your Q-tip, dip it in the lemon juice, and write your secret message. You can also have fun with this part and write something with pen or marker on top of it. So it'll be like a decoy message, and then the rest of the message will appear when you heat it up. So then we're gonna let this dry completely, so I'll put that aside. And then I do have one that I've done here that is completely dry. So I will show you how to decode. So then once you have it completely dry, you'll bring it to your heat source. I'm using an iron. Like I said, you can use a stove or a light bulb that gets warm. Just be careful with whatever you use. And I'm gonna sandwich my paper in between two pieces of paper, and then I'm gonna watch the heat source. So you'll see your message begin to decode here on the paper. Now, in the areas on the paper where you put your lemon juice down, the lemon juice will turn brown because lemon juice contains carbon compounds. And when the carbon compounds are heated, like I'm doing with the iron here, they break down. And when they break down and mix with the air that's around us, it oxidizes, which turns it brown. So we're seeing a chemical reaction right before our very eyes. Oxidation is what we call the chemical reaction between iron and oxygen. So that's how rust is created. There's our secret message. I heart the TPL. You can do this with other juices like apple juice or orange juice, and you can even try it with milk. So have fun, whatever you choose. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.